Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this video we're looking at the Foval screen protector. It's the best screen protector I've gotten for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this goes the same for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just look for the same brand. I give this product a price to value ratio of 10 out of 10. I've used it since the day I got it, and I got the phone in September 2020, and it's finally cracked on me. So I've had it for I've had it for a year. And it's tempered glass, so it doesn't feel as smooth as the original ceramic shield on the phone, but it's tempered glass and glass is glass, so it's not a deal breaker. It's perfect for any budget, and that's because it's less than $10, and coming from Amazon, you get 2-day shipping if you have Prime. It's perfect, and it comes with a total of 2 screens. Some of the packs come with 3. So for my example, I've used it for more than a year. It cracked the screen, protected my iPhone 12 Pro Max screen, and now I just need to replace it with the replacement that came with the box. So in this video, I'm just showing you that extra screen protectors come in handy. It costs less than $10, you get it on Amazon, and you get protection, and it fits on almost all phone cases. The tempered glass screen protector is slightly smaller than the actual screen size of the phone, so the edges on the phone are actually exposed, so a really tight case would work with this screen protector. Again, I give this product a price to value ratio of 10 out of 10 if you're looking for a good screen protector that is tempered glass. And changing the screen protector after 1 year, it's really easy. I just use my fingernail, kind of propped it up, and removing the screen protector, there's no residue on the screen, and I didn't have to do anything but put the new one on. No extra cleaning on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. Check out the link below for the Amazon link. I am an Amazon affiliate, so help me out. Otherwise, you can go on Amazon and search the brand Foval. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.